The story of the Fateh Jangi Bull is deeply connected with the rural culture, farming traditions, and livestock heritage of Pakistan. Long before modern machines entered the villages of Punjab, Sindh, and other agricultural regions, bulls were the backbone of farming life. Among these powerful animals, the Fateh Jangi Bull earned a legendary reputation for its strength, endurance, beauty, and loyalty to the farmers who raised it. The breed takes its name from the historic town of Fateh Jangi, an area known for fertile lands, cattle markets, and strong agricultural traditions. For centuries, the people of this region depended on bulls not only for plowing fields but also for transportation, irrigation, and survival. The Fateh Jangi Bull gradually became a symbol of pride and prosperity in rural Pakistan. The origins of the Fateh Jangi Bull can be traced back hundreds of years when local farmers began selectively breeding strong and healthy cattle suitable for the harsh farming conditions of the subcontinent. The climate of Punjab required animals capable of surviving extreme heat during summer and cold winds during winter. Farmers needed bulls with muscular bodies, hard hooves, and the stamina to work long hours in fields. Through generations of careful breeding, they produced a powerful animal that combined physical strength with calm behavior. These bulls were known for their broad chest, thick neck, high hump, and energetic movement. Their shiny coats, curved horns, and alert eyes gave them an impressive appearance that immediately captured attention in village fairs and cattle markets. In the old days, before tractors became common, farming in Pakistan relied almost completely on animal power. The Fateh Jangi Bull was considered one of the finest working animals because it could pull heavy plows across difficult soil without tiring easily. Farmers often paired two bulls together to cultivate wheat, rice, and sugarcane fields. During harvesting season, these bulls worked from sunrise until sunset. Their endurance became famous across villages, and owning a healthy Fateh Jangi Bull was seen as a sign of wealth and honor. People admired the animal's discipline and intelligence. Experienced farmers believed that a good bull could understand the commands and emotions of its owner. The Fateh Jangi Bull also became an important part of cultural celebrations and village traditions. In many rural areas of Punjab, bull races and cattle exhibitions were organized during festivals and fairs. Farmers decorated their bulls with colorful cloth, bells, beads, and embroidered ropes. Young men proudly displayed the strength and beauty of their animals in front of crowds. These events were not just entertainment, they were moments of social pride where families showcased generations of hard work in breeding superior cattle. The Fateh Jangi Bull often became the center of attraction because of its majestic posture and powerful body structure. One of the most remarkable qualities of the Fateh Jangi Bull was its adaptability. Unlike imported cattle breeds that struggled in local weather, this breed was naturally suited to Pakistan's environment. It could survive on local fodder, tolerate high temperatures, and resist many regional diseases better than foreign breeds. This made it extremely valuable for small farmers who could not afford expensive animal care. The bull's strength was matched by its resilience, allowing it to remain productive even under difficult conditions. Rural communities respected the animal not only for its usefulness but also for its ability to survive hardships alongside humans. The relationship between Pakistani farmers and their bulls was emotional as well as practical. Many families treated their animals like members of the household. Farmers spent years raising and training their bulls from a young age. Children grew up feeding them, washing them, and learning how to care for them. In villages, Stories were often told about loyal bulls that saved crops during difficult seasons or helped families survive economic struggles. The Fateh Jang Bull became a living symbol of determination, patience, and rural identity. During the period of British rule in the Indian subcontinent, livestock became increasingly important for agriculture and transportation. Colonial administrators recognized the value of local cattle breeds and began documenting regional animals. The Fateh Jang Bull gained recognition for its physical power and ability to perform heavy agricultural labor. Cattle fairs became larger, and traders traveled long distances to buy strong bulls from Punjab. Wealthy landowners preferred this breed because it could handle large farming operations efficiently. Even military transport and supply systems sometimes relied on bull-powered carts in remote areas where modern roads did not exist. After the independence of Pakistan in 1947, agriculture remained the backbone of the national economy. The Fateh Jang Bull continued to play an essential role in rural development during the early decades of the country. In villages without electricity or machinery, bulls powered traditional irrigation systems known as Persian wheels. These animals pulled heavy wooden wheels that lifted water from wells to irrigate crops. Farmers depended on their bulls every single day, and the Fateh Jang breed became associated with hard-working farming communities across Punjab. As time passed, modernization slowly changed rural life. Tractors, tube wells, and mechanized farming equipment reduced the dependence on animal labor. Many traditional cattle breeds began declining because farmers preferred faster and more profitable dairy breeds imported from abroad. The Fateh Jang Bull faced challenges during this period because fewer people used bulls for farming. Some farmers stopped breeding pure bloodlines, while others sold their animals due to economic pressures. This led to fears that valuable local cattle genetics could disappear over time. Despite these challenges, livestock experts and rural communities continued to value the Fateh Jang Bull for its unique characteristics. Researchers studying indigenous breeds recognized that local cattle possessed qualities that foreign breeds often lacked, such as disease resistance, climate adaptability, and low maintenance costs. Conservation efforts slowly emerged to protect traditional livestock heritage. Farmers who loved their cultural traditions continued breeding Fateh Jang bulls and participating in cattle competitions. In some regions, these bulls became symbols of heritage preservation rather than only working animals. The popularity of social media and digital content in recent years has also brought new attention to traditional Pakistani cattle breeds. Videos of giant bulls, decorated cattle, and village livestock competitions began attracting millions of viewers online. The Fateh Jang Bull once again gained admiration because of its impressive size and majestic appearance. Cattle enthusiasts started documenting famous bulls, sharing breeding techniques, and celebrating indigenous livestock culture. This renewed public interest helped younger generations appreciate the historical importance of these animals. One reason the Fateh Jang Bull remains respected today is its extraordinary physical structure. A mature bull can have a massive muscular body, strong legs, and a powerful hump that reflects its working ability. The breed is usually known for alert behavior and energetic movement. Experienced farmers can often identify a quality bull simply by observing its posture, walking style, and chest width. Traditional breeders pay close attention to bloodlines, nutrition, and training methods to maintain the breed's reputation. Nutrition has always played a major role in raising strong bulls in Pakistan. Farmers traditionally fed their animals wheat straw, green fodder, grains, cottonseed cake, and seasonal crops. Some owners developed special feeding routines for prized bulls, believing that balanced diets increased strength and beauty. In many villages, caring for cattle became a respected skill passed from one generation to another. Knowledge about breeding, feeding, and disease prevention formed an important part of rural life. Another fascinating aspect of the Fateh Jangi Bull is its role in cattle markets and sacrificial traditions. During the Islamic festival of Eid al-Adha, large and beautiful bulls attract great attention in livestock markets across Pakistan. Farmers proudly present their animals after months or years of care. Buyers often admire the strength, height, and appearance of Fateh Jangi bulls, considering them symbols of prestige. In major cities, people travel long distances to see famous bulls displayed at seasonal cattle bazaars. The emotional bond between humans and bulls is especially visible during these festivals. Many owners become deeply attached to the animals they raise. Stories of farmers talking to their bulls, grooming them daily, and treating them with affection are common throughout rural Pakistan. This connection reflects a culture where animals are respected as companions in labor and life rather than only economic assets. The Fateh Jangi Bull also represents the wider story of indigenous livestock in South Asia. Across the region, traditional cattle breeds developed over centuries through adaptation to local climates and farming systems. These animals carried the burden of agriculture long before industrial technology existed. They helped build civilizations, support economies, and feed populations. The Fateh Jangi Bull stands as a reminder of this forgotten agricultural history. Today, Pakistan's livestock sector remains one of the country's most important economic resources. Millions of people still depend on cattle farming for their livelihood. While mechanization has changed farming practices, traditional breeds continue to hold value in rural communities. Some breeders are now combining modern veterinary knowledge with traditional experience to improve the health and preservation of indigenous cattle. Livestock exhibitions, breeding competitions, and agricultural fairs continue celebrating animals like the Fateh Jangi Bull. There is also growing awareness about the importance of protecting genetic diversity in livestock. Experts warn that losing local breeds could create future problems because imported animals may not survive changing climates or disease outbreaks as effectively. Indigenous breeds like the Fateh Jangi Bull possess valuable natural traits developed through centuries of adaptation. Preserving these animals means preserving history, culture, and biological heritage at the same time. In many ways, the Fateh Jangi Bull represents the spirit of rural Pakistan itself. Strong, patient, hard-working, and resilient, it reflects the qualities of the farmers who spent generations cultivating the land. Even as cities expand and technology transforms society, the image of a powerful bull walking proudly through green fields continues to inspire memories of traditional village life. Elderly farmers often speak with nostalgia about the days when bulls ruled the fields and every household understood the rhythm of agricultural life. For younger generations, learning about the Fateh Jangi Bull is not only about livestock history but also about understanding the roots of Pakistani culture. These animals helped shape the economy, traditions, and social life of villages for centuries. Their story is connected with human survival, community pride, and the deep relationship between people and nature. The legacy of the Fateh Jangi Bull continues through breeders, farmers, historians, and cattle lovers who refuse to let this heritage disappear. Whether seen in village fairs, agricultural exhibitions, online videos, or traditional farms, the bull remains a proud symbol of Pakistan's agricultural identity. Its history is not merely the story of an animal, it is the story of endurance, tradition, and the bond between humans and the land they cultivate. Even today, when modern machines dominate agriculture, the sight of a majestic Fateh Jangi Bull still commands respect. Its powerful body, calm eyes, and proud stance remind people of an era when strength came not from engines, but from living creatures that worked side by side with humans. Through generations of struggle, change, and survival, the Fateh Jangi Bull has remained an unforgettable part of Pakistan's rural soul.